We coming from a long bloodline of trauma. We raised by our mamas, Lord, we gotta heal. We hurting our sisters, the babies as well. We killing our brothers, they poison the world.
Hi guys, it's Itsmeabae. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual. What's the usual? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I take down my braids. I had a knotless braids for about a month. I took it out pretty quickly because it got rumpled. And I'm here to share with you guys what I do to my hair to revive it, get it back to its nice, natural, moisturized, shiny state. So keep watching and you'll see what I do. Of course, to save time, you're going to cut the braids. So what I do, I guesstimate the length of my hair and I add about 3 to 4 inches to that, and that's where I will cut. Simple and easy. After I do this, I'm just going to start unloosening the braids, and you'll see me doing that later down in the video. So now I'm gonna start taking down the hair. Hi, it's me again. Just here to remind you, if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and click that subscribe button. Keep watching. It's out. So I have some build up, as you can see. It's probably from the edge control that she used. She used the I'll show you guys what she used just now. So I have a little bit of build up. So what I'll do, I have shedding. What I'll do, I'll loose about the first 3 plaits to the front and I'll detangle. So I'll show you guys how I detangle it. She used ORS Olive Oil Girls Flyaway Taming Edge Gel. This is what it looks like. It smells really good. This is the consistency. I love how it smells. My hair is free. But I never work on my hair while it's dry. So guess what I have? My water bottle. And I work the water into my hair before I even decide to manipulate it or to comb it out. So from my just doing that, I also got some shedding. And as usual, you work from ends to roots. If you haven't already, you can go and check out my other videos. They'll be linked below. I do try on hauls, I do natural hair videos, I do some skincare videos. Just check my description box and you'll find what you're looking for. My hair is pretty soft, so I'm very happy. I'm going to do the rest off camera and I'll come back to show you guys the finished product.
I did a prepoo last night, and while I sleep with AC, so my eyes were swollen because I have basically moisture on my head, so I'm getting cold basically. So yeah, I did a prepoo last night, and I made a fresh batch of black soap shampoo. I'm going to be doing a video on this shortly. But so after I took down the braids, I detangled, I parted my intersections, and I applied my prepoo base. And now I'm going to shampoo my hair with my black soap. I'm going to follow up with doing my Bentonite clay mask. You can check my description box below for that video. I have two videos, one of me making it and one of my application. Feel free to check out those videos, and I'll be back shortly. I'm going to show you guys me taking down my hair from the prepoo. So my hair is really soft, again because it was basically a steam overnight. So now I'm gonna do some deep cleaning from my braids because I would have a build up. I'm gonna do some deep cleaning. I'm washing my hair. I just left this section out for you guys to see. My scalp is nice and clean. So now I'm gonna apply my Bentonite clay mask. That's it. Hey guys, so this is my hair straight from the shower after I rinsed out my clay mask. This is the back. My curls are defined, but slightly defined. Alright, my scalp is clean. My hair is really soft and shiny.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my description box down below where you can find the other links to my other videos on my channel. Bye!